Do you have this haircut? Do you want this haircut? This is fluffy hair. This is the haircut that I actually helped make go viral years ago when it first started coming out on TikTok. And this mannequin has been on the news. This is a celebrity, this mannequin right here. So fluffy hair, is it something that is still popular? Clearly it is on TikTok with a younger age demographic. But let me know if you are still wearing this haircut. Are you having challenges getting this haircut? Are you going to a barber for this, a hairstylist? Let's just break down some core essential things that are needed for this haircut. Firstly, it's the length. You need to have your hair long enough in the front here in order for it to be able to flip up. A lot of this hairstyle is all about having that flip. So when I go back like this, look at all that hair that needs to go up this way. And I did that in seconds because I have so much tidal wave sprayed in here and my beach house hair powder that it's already got so much volume. But also keep in mind that this is all layered in through here. So if your hair is too long in through here, this part, if it's not layered properly, then the whole thing is just gonna collapse because of the weight. And what exactly do I mean by that? Well, if you take this part right here, and if you were to bring this all the way down here, that would be called one length. There's no layers. But because of the fact that all of this hair is actually short, like following and contouring the head, so it's layered, 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 that's the reason why I'm able to get this hair to flip up and to have that movement. If this hair was all one length, I think a lot of you might have that problem, and do a test yourself. Take your hair, hold it up, and if it comes all the way back here, all the way down to here, well, it's just too long. It's gonna keep falling flat. So don't be brainwashed by whatever else is out there, or these non-hair professionals giving you hair advice because they don't know what they're talking about. They can't even cut a haircut like this. All these people scamming you on hair products and stuff like that on TikTok. So the next thing is making sure that you know how to style this. And what I like to do is I like to spray a few sprays of tidal wave, and I did mention there already is a bunch in here, but because of the properties of this product, it actually soaks up the oils. So you're not really gonna get like any sort of buildup from this. So I can spray one spray in there and one spray throughout the top, 2 sprays, 3 sprays, that's really all you need. And yes, I'm doing this while the hair is dry. So if your hair is like the second day or third day and you wanna spice it up a little bit, then you can do this. So while the hair is a bit damp from the product, what you're doing is you're working your fingers in like so, and that's absorbing the product into the hair. And you can even give yourself a little bit of volume like this by using your thumb to work that in. But I'm literally working this product into the hair like this. And basically fluffy hair is all about the volume you can get. And look at this. Look how much volume I'm getting from that. That's what's so unique about Tidal Wave is it's really a volumizing spray. Everybody's so hooked on texture and this and that. The texture comes from the haircut, but the volume comes from this. So then after you have the volume, you get the texture and the fluffiness. And that's all really is gonna give you that fluffy kind of big hair, right? Fluffy hair equals just big poofy hair. That's really what it comes down to. If that isn't fluffy to you, then I don't know what is, because I mean, it's all, so you can see it's all about the haircut. All of this is layered and has that consistent, more rounded shape to it. And because of that, that's why I'm able to lift. Of course, having the right product, the haircut, and then the styling technique, using a round brush and getting the right styling when blow drying it. All of these things help contribute to getting a hairstyle like this. So let me know in the comments below, are you wearing your hair like this? Do you find this video helpful as far as like, oh, my hair was always falling flat. Okay, now I get the whole layer thing. My hair is all one length. No wonder it's falling flat. And I invite you to check out Tidal Wave Sea Salt Spray and also my Beach House Sea Salt Hair Powder. Click View Products and you'll see it right there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.